Hello everyone, welcome to Code with me in C. So today we are going to learn how to write a program to calculate the area of a rectangle using the hard-coded inputs. That is, the length and breadth, they are initialized and you need to calculate the area of the rectangle using the initialized values. The code is calculate area of a rectangle. Since I wrote it after the double slash, that is, this content will be considered as a comment. For what are comments, you can refer to my previous video I have made on it. So now the code is starting. Hash include stdr.h, it is a header file which is always compulsory. Then your int main, it is the main function. After this, whatever I will write will be considered by my compiler for execution. Now this is my curly brackets. After this my code starts. So int length equals to 2 semicolon. Here I have named a variable length and its data type is int. That is, I'll be going to store data as integer into my variable length. Now here I have initialized it as 2 and the semicolon is indicating the instruction termination. Then int breadth is equals to 4 semicolon. Here I have again made a new variable breadth in which I have initialized a value 4. Since the data type is int here, so whatever will be the data I'll be storing in breadth will be of integer type. Then again the semicolon, then your int area. So I have declared a variable area and I have not initialized it any value because I need to calculate this variable. Since after the calculation I'll be getting integer value because I have declared it as int data type, that is of integer type. So now in these three sentences what I have done, I have made three variables, length, breadth and area. Length I have initialized as 2, breadth I have initialized as 4 and area is just declared. This variable is not initialized. Now area is equals to length into breadth semicolon. So this is an operation. What I have done, I have stored the product of length and breadth into this area. This asterisk symbol here it is denoting as multiplication. In C programming language, this asterisk symbol means multiply. So I am multiplying length and breadth and their product is stored in the variable area. Now the printf function. Inside this whatever I am going to write will be printed on the screen. So inside the parentheses and double quotes I am writing area of rectangle is %d. So the area of rectangle is printed on the screen and the %d, which is your area, will be printed on the screen. So the area is storing the product of length and breadth, and length is 2, breadth is 4. So 2 into 4, 8. Area is storing 8. So your output on the screen will be area of rectangle is 8. Now you return 0. I'm not returning anything, that is why my programming is returning 0. These are part of syntax and then these curly brackets closed. Sometimes you feel so annoying that I am repeating these instructions like inside my parenthesis, inside my printf parenthesis, double quotes, then your semicolon as instructor terminator. Actually when you will be going to write your code by yourself, you realize that these syntax they sometimes make a lot of difference in your program, like it will not let the compiler to execute your code successfully. They'll throw some error, so that is why I'm emphasizing on this. Whenever I'm emphasizing, just hear it so that it will be stored in your memory. So yeah, we'll see the output of this code now. So the output will be area of rectangle is 8. Take your time. I hope you will understand, and if you have any doubt coming in your mind, then please comment it. I'll be happy to clear. And thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel if you like it.